All right, here we go. We're going over a friend's house and we're ordering Chinese food. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make 2 veggie dishes. And you're probably thinking, Jillian, are you just gonna cook Asian food every single time on this channel? And the answer is yes, I am. And if it's gonna be 12 episodes back to back of me cooking Asian, then that's what it's gonna be. Today, I am making green beans and Brussels sprouts. What I should do is parboil the vegetables, put them in a quick ice bath, and then saute or stir fry accordingly. However, that's not what I'm gonna do. And that's why we buy the microwave bags. I'm gonna start with the Brussels sprouts because that's what's gonna take the longest to cook. Enough of my beautiful face. Also, gnarly apron. Got this at Highest Spirit Shirts. Check them out on Instagram. This is custom, by the way. This season and steam. I'm gonna chop the ends off, maybe take a few leaves off, chop them in half. All right, so these are all chopped up. Now they're gonna go back into the bag. I'm going to put in some salt and pepper in with these. Shake these up a little bit and toss them in the microwave. I want them to be a little bit crunchy so it can kind of hold up in the frying pan. I'm gonna make some sort of sauce, like a stir fry sauce. In any recipe that calls for 2 cloves of garlic, for me, take that 2 cloves and it's automatically gonna be 4. If you're mincing garlic, you can just smash it really all the way flat like that. Give like an extra chop there. There we go. And that's pretty much done. All right, so now I've got some chopped garlic there. Brussels sprouts are kind of pungent. Maybe like half a cup of soy sauce. If you're not hip to the Bragg's apple cider vinegar, I don't know where you've been. Free ball it. I'm gonna actually measure it. We'll do 2 teaspoons here. I'm gonna add some water. We'll kind of thin it out. I was thinking about a dish that I had before, hoisin broccolini, but all they had was rapini. I don't know the difference. Hoisin sauce. We're gonna do like a teaspoon of this, right? Nah, fuck it, we'll do a tablespoon. This doesn't fit. Let's do some sambal. Second time in a row I'm doing sambal. This is the technical way to get open. I like hot. I'm just gonna kind of. Oh, that's okay. That's salty though. Brown sugar. I'm gonna say maybe like that much. You chose to come here. I didn't force you to. Do I need to wash this? The answer is yes, but the action is probably no. I just mopped my floors. Like, come on. Fuck it, we'll do it live. I'm gonna add this garlic. And we wanna get that fragrance. So when you start really smelling the garlic, that's when you're ready to kind of move on to the next step. We want this to be sticky and kind of thick. So that means adding like a little bit of cornstarch. Now, I'm gonna use all of the spoons in my kitchen today. Sauteing garlic. Put it in the pan with the oil while the oil is heating up. Heard it once on the Food Network channel. It kind of tempers the garlic a little bit. So I feel like this is a bad idea. What do you guys think? Just cornstarch right into the pan? What could go wrong? This is really liquidy. I probably shouldn't have added the water. This is my entire cooking experience of me doing something thinking that I know what I'm doing, but then immediately realizing that I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. And then when I do this, that time period of the separation, that'll kind of go, it'll take longer and longer to fill back in where that white spot is. So we are almost ready. And I'm just gonna toss them in here, the Brussels sprouts, and really that's it. There's really not much to it. All right, we're gonna chop up some of the peanuts. We're going to put this sauce in here. I'm gonna chop up some green onions. I'm gonna rinse these off. I'm gonna use these 2 big ones here. I'm gonna cut these what's called on the bias. On the bias means at a diagonal, so I desperately need to sharpen my knives. Hindsight is 20/20. What I should have done is put those in an air fryer. That would have been awesome. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at those beautiful Brussels sprouts. So remember, we put these in the microwave to get them cooked faster. You can add like tofu if you wanted to go like a meatless Monday. Fish, that'd be great, like a teriyaki salmon. Ooh, I am making things happen over here. And it's probably a little bit too much sauce. They're a little too saucy. All right, let's do these. Oh, well, it's delicious, all right. Do that, do these. Your skills, you guys. This. Oh, dang. I'd probably do reduced sodium soy sauce. Green beans. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with the Brussels sprouts with these. I'm going to put them in the microwave so that they par cook. Red pepper, I've got an onion. I'm going to julienne the pepper and do a mandolin on the onion so they are thin. I'm gonna put it on the thickest setting so it moves up. And then I'm probably gonna make another sauce. What I should have done with the Brussels sprouts, now that I've kind of had some time to think about it, I should not have salted them when I put them in the bag. I'm gonna put these in. Red pepper flake, right. All right, we're gonna do some brown sugar again to make these a little bit sweeter. This is just soy sauce, brown sugar, and red pepper flakes. And that's all we're gonna do there. I probably overcrowded the pan. Last minute thought, I'm gonna add some garlic powder to the beans and the peppers. And then I'm also gonna add a little bit of, we'll do like that much. That's probably a lot. I immediately regret that decision. But yeah, I severely regret that decision. I feel like that's too much. So. Okay, that's kind of where I want it to be, where the onions have kind of caramelized a little bit. I'm gonna add this sauce now. I think I put too much sauce on the last one and not enough sauce on this one. All right, that's it. These are really sweet. But like, if you have sriracha, you know, if you were to just think like, oh, this might be good if it had some sriracha, the answer to that is probably always yes. See? That's what we needed. Take it. Oh shit. We've got some awesome Asian inspired sides. Yeah, we like that. We like it. We love it. They're so pretty. Asian inspired sides. We're gonna take them to our friends. We're gonna enjoy it. And I will see you next time. Peace.